Howdy y'all, we're gonna do some more lucky discs. So for those that haven't seen the last video, the rules are simple. This little spindle here has 20 discs in it. Well, 19. If we get number 5, you'll see what happens. We'll roll a d20, and whatever we roll, we just like pull out of here, we throw in the Windows 98 PC, and we just see what mysteries lie on the discs from years past. And then the other rule is we have to have at least 3 working discs. So let's get started. That is, oh, I can never remember if it's supposed to be on top or bottom. Okay, it's typically under, so we have 9. So let's see what number 9 is. 9. And Carmen Sandiego, math detective. Well, let's put this disc in and see how good we are at math. Oh no, I have to do math. Let's install. Setup will now install RSX 3D. Okay, sure. I do in fact hear sound, yes. Doesn't sound great.
You must be getting in deep. The reception is lousy.
Yeah, I'd say the audio's not doing great. It's kind of stuttering a little bit.
Access granted. I've tested it on 12 of the world's.
I don't want to get copyright struck. Well, we're obviously a super agent. It's probably gonna make me do Division. Okay, let's see here. Select the transport to begin your mission. I'm gonna go to a space station, or I can go to a house. Well, space. All right. We're looking for clues. I haven't had to do any math yet. Uh-oh, math. Wait, so guess plus that equals that. Goal is, huh? All right, so, let's go start with 6. So we need a 6 there. No, we need a 4 there. Oh my God, am I really gonna be bad at math? 04, 304, 6304, that one. Yeah, I can do math. We need a 7. So we need a 6 and a 7. Don't say it. 3, 6, 7. That one. Yeah. L. Okay. Next we need. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Carry the 1. Plus 2. So yeah, that's 2, 9. And that'll be 6. So it ends in 2, 9. Oh, thank goodness. This is taking me a lot longer than I feel like it should. I went to college. Yeah, I don't even need to do the other part. I just got to get 3 numbers. Missile. Oh, no, 3 miles. Never mind. Hey, I know that sound. That's the sound of the Halo scope. That's a Halo sniper rifle. Focus the light beam, stack the lenses in the order at the lowest value. This is like that thing for babies where you have to like put like the rings on and like the colors and the orientation and stuff. The lowest on top, I think it said. I need to get to that 3. Oh, we're getting there. I'm Carmen Sandiegoing the math. Or not. Did I screw myself up? I can put that there, and then I can do that, then that, then that, then that. You can put that. Yeah! Oh, we're doing math. Oh, now I gotta get all the way down there? All right. It's like solitaire. That sounds like it's from Half-Life. Old landmark. Well, this game actually seems pretty fun. I legitimately might just install this and play through it later, even though it's a kid's game, but I don't know, puzzle games are sometimes fun. Well, this one was fun. I'll have to revisit that sometime. What do we got next? 5. Okay, so on 5, there's currently nothing because I think last time we had 5. And the reason I didn't fill it up is because I have this sealed copy of Microsoft Encarta 97. So let's see what the world was like in 1997. Ah, that 1990s air. Let's set up Encarta. And run. Ooh, media features. Okay, that's some arrows that can go back and forth. Can I full screen? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, cool. What are the online features? This is weird to see. Determine if you should install updates. Today's date is August 25th, 2026. Yeah, I probably should update it a little bit. You know, it's only been 30 years. Well, let's see what happens when I try to connect. Oh, I have to pay for this? Oh, well, apparently I have to pay for this, so I guess we just won't do that. Encyclopedia articles. So the first entry is, well, if you had access to a disc from 1997 with all the world's information from that year and prior, what's the first thing you would look up? Because I kind of know what the first thing I would look up is. I was hoping they'd have the World Trade Center here. Why just do New York City? Or, oh, there's a lot of New York stuff. This is the American Stock Exchange. Look at all the mistakes that are being made. Oh, we got links to all the other areas too. We can look at Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island. Can I like search? Control F? Much domestic and international trade is conducted in New York City's offices, including those in the Twin Towers of Lower Manhattan's World Trade Center, comprising 2 of the world's tallest structures. Well, what else should we look up? Bill Clinton was still the president of the United States. Oh, so this is just talking about the president and all of its responsibilities and powers, judicial functions, economic functions. This is talking about removal. Does this have Bill Clinton's impeachment? Was that a thing yet? Oh yeah, no, this wouldn't have Bill Clinton's impeachment. That was in 98 and 99. It also wouldn't have a certain other individual's impeachment. What I wonder, can I like look up people? Oh yeah, I can look up Bill Clinton. There he is. He was the first president born after World War II and was only 46. And then it was after George Bush. This is the other George Bush. I don't even think it's
tonight
and it wouldn't have anything about W in here. No, he's in here too. Okay, I mean, I shouldn't be surprised. It is interesting though, seeing kind of like where the end of this article is. And in hindsight, it now is very interesting. Okay, let's look at something more fun. Xbox isn't going to be around, but what about just 2 video games? Oh, we do got Mario in here. We got the floppy disks and stuff about personal computers, trackball, mouse, and especially the Nintendo Corporation. In '93, both Sega and Nintendo led an effort to establish an industry-controlled rating. Oh, that's the ESRB. Oh, this is so weird, just like seeing all like the history, but just as it was known in '97. Well, let's see what the internet is listed as in Encarta '97. Information Superhighway is its own like separate tab. Okay, interesting. Talks about how the internet works, IP services, talks about the World Wide Web a little bit. Impact on society. Even though computer interaction is in its infancy, it has drastically changed our worlds. It sure has. You're watching this on a computer or a phone, which is that's still a computer. Oh, it also has me wondering then, because like since this was the 90s, this was a lot more relevant to people. Oh, it does have Usenet. Yeah, it's got Usenet and news groups. That's a neat little look at history. Honestly, that might be a fun friend activity. Just get one of these and just each go through just some of the entries in Encarta. See what the world was like back in '97. Back when I was 2 years old. Well, let's see if we can get one more good disc out of this. Oh, speaking of 2 years old, we got number 2. All right, number 2. Oh, we got more Kellogg's discs. This is Goofy Skateboarding. Oh, I can get free screensavers? Yeah, I'm 13. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, I gotta do more? Oh, the registration is not going well. You know, maybe something I should do is like find as many of these CDs as possible and like print out the registration, mail them out, and see who actually gets back to me. Okay, I guess we're getting DirectX 8 with this. Oh, why does it look like that? I don't think all the colors are here. Wonder what the Wikipedia article for this particular bit of software is like. Oh, is this gamepad support?
Keyboard, gamepad controls, keyboard controls.
The Keyblade?
Keyboard,
Goofy wants to get me a game key? Oh, thank you. Oh, I can customize my Goofy? Man, I wish when software just had sound for absolutely everything. There we go. He's completely red.
Ollie over the mailboxes and clean up the newspapers you find lying around. If you can find and collect enough, you will carve up this course.
Okay. Oh. How do I go forward? And we're just gonna bind these ones over here. All right. Oh no, Goofy! We gotta stop the Heartless. Oh, it actually doesn't control too awful. Oh! Man, you used to just get stuff like this in your cereal. That was cool. But I have 6 newspapers. Do I have to like deliver these? Yeah! No! Ow! Well, that's lovely. Come on, get on the grind. Do a grind. No! Do I go around collecting newspapers? Oh! Okay, that was actually pretty cool. Yeah, newspaper, and then I'll destroy your mailbox while I'm at it. And your mailbox. It's like a skateboard collectathon a little bit. Yeah.
Sweet. That is one objective down.
Yeah, that's how physics work.
Thanks for playing the preview.
Well, this was a fun little batch of discs. And let me know if this is something you'd like to see more of. This is one of the easier types of videos for me to do. Because, yeah, doing a video a week right now is a little bit tough of how much stuff I have going on. So I feel like stuff like this can help me kind of focus more on longer, bigger projects for those videos. But also, if you want to support the channel, I got links down below for all that stuff. Can't really promise anything, but it does help out a lot. But that's going to be it for now. So long, y'all.